Welcome or welcome back to another Junk Journal July episode, and let's get creative for day 5 and the prompt of crossword puzzle. Sorry for the late upload. I hope you had a lot of fun with this prompt today, or maybe you still have fun with it. I was just super busy today that it got a bit on the back burner, but I decided to stick with it and just make it a little bit of a short and sweeter one. I did get out a few different kind of crossword puzzle pages from different free magazines I had laying around to collage with anyways, and decided to use this one where you have to fill like the completed page with prompts and different puzzle pieces as the kind of background for the spread, before then adding on the other one where I did cut out the puzzle more neatly to then add a little quote into the puzzle like it would be part of the puzzling thing. I hope it makes sense. I didn't find the perfect little puzzles for the quote. That would have been awesome. But yeah, maybe I should have done a puzzle in digital and printed it out. That would have been an idea too. Yeah, like I said yesterday, I feel like the best ideas for these spreads I always have after I edited the video while I'm recording the voiceover. So yeah, I don't know. Maybe I should do a second spread for all of them or something. I don't know. No, it's fine. I should learn to be more content with the things I create and not beat myself up just because I have a kind of better idea later down the line. So, should be grateful for just having the idea, and then we will proceed with that. And this page turned out really simple, but I feel like it's okay. There are days that are more elaborate, and then other days are just a bit simpler, and it's fine. I feel like in a challenge like this, and when you have like a completed journal in the end, the journal itself makes the art. There's also something I like to tell myself about my sketchbooks and about the journals where I do writing in. Each page doesn't have to be a masterpiece, because the masterpiece in itself is the completed journal in the end. And just having something completed where you poured your heart into in a way, and that you can reflect back on to remember those times, is kind of the artwork in itself, in a way. So each individual page or each individual sketch or piece of writing doesn't have to be super perfect and elaborate, because what makes it amazing is your creative progress that you put in it and the completed collection that is the journal in the end. I feel like that makes it the special art piece. And I also feel like that about my old sketchbooks or my old junk journals. I feel like they bring me back in time to the time when I created that and filled up the book, and it's so much fun to go back and flip through it and remember the summer or the January or just the time when I filled the pages with whatever was on my mind back then and was my idea in that very moment. And I feel like that's the beauty of creating, and it's kind of a little time capsule in a way. And so I try to not beat myself up if I feel like the page in itself isn't super interesting or crazy creative, and it can be something more simple as well. What was your take for crossword puzzle? Let me know in the comments down below. Did you have a super cool idea? I bet you had a better idea than me. And I can't wait to see your beautiful creations for day 5. And I hope you enjoyed this little rambly, kind of simple creative session anyways. And I hope you just have fun having a bit of company while you create maybe your day 5 of Junk Journal July, or just create something completely else. I hope you just allow yourself to create something today, no matter what. I feel like each day is better when you took the time to do something creative somewhere in the day. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's creative session. If you did, a thumbs up would make me really happy. And join me on this creative adventure for more daily uploads for the Junk Journal July or other creative fun following this creative challenge. See you very soon. Until then, happy creating.